Hello everyone, my name is Mete and this is an introductory video for the course of Mastering 8D Problem Solving Root Cause Analysis D5 to D8. This course is not just about explaining the steps of 8D, it is designed to help you truly understand and apply root cause analysis, corrective and preventive actions, PFMEA update, and lessons learned with confidence. So what exactly we will cover? We will go deep into fishbone diagram, fault theory analysis, and 5 root cause analysis in D5. We will learn how to use them effectively and how to combine them, how these tools communicate each other. For example, how we will use the data from the fishbone for the FTA. And after the fault theory analysis, how we will use the data from the FTA for the 5 root cause analysis. So basically, we will learn how to find technical and systemic root cause for both occurrence and non-detection by using all these tools. And after explaining them in a clear logic, we will reinforce our learning with the real-world manufacturing case study at the end of each section. Afterwards, we will focus on corrective and preventive actions, how to develop a robust action plan, and what are their key differences. And then we will connect this to PFMEA, Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. So you will learn how to review and update PFMEA in line with the analysis. And if you are new to FMEA, don't worry because we have included an extra session just to explain whole logic of PFMEA. And once we completed this, we will validate the actions to ensure their effectiveness as part of D7. And in D8, we will learn how to generate lessons learned card and conduct 8D closure audit. This course is practical and focused. It is built for the engineers, manufacturing professionals, and students who want to not just learn, but to apply this in real-world cases. So if that sounds like you, enroll now and let's get started.